March 17th, it's 19 degrees, feels like 11. You might notice something a little different from the run we did 3 days ago. That was Saturday. That was the 15K portion of the Mighty Lytie Classic Challenge. There was no snow. Today, we're doing the 3-mile virtual portion of the challenge, and we're hours removed from the second largest recorded snowfall in Green Bay, over 26 inches. So pretty cool stuff. Did the 15K hours before it started. We're doing this 3-mile hours after it wrapped up.